was going to show you the under cabinet lighting, which I'm using LED strips. And what it is the AC power comes in here. You guys have a light switch. I turn this into a dimmer so I can dim the lights. And then from there, it goes over through the wall to a location. And I think your location is a little different, but that's the AC power going into the DC converter. So it's going to convert it to direct current. And that's a 12 volt, 2 amp, which will supply 2 LED strip lights. And those are the lights there. Okay, so from this side, the DC line, I've got those wires. They're black and red. And then they run under this channel. That's just electrical tape, white electrical tape. All the way down here, and there's a junction. And so I'll show you 2 different ways that we can install those. One way goes right into that light, and the other way, going to the left, that'll go through the cabinet, and I'll show you that in just a second. But yeah, it supplies this light strip, and so these are ran in serial. So at the end of that light strip, we've got a connection, and then it goes to the next light strip. And so you could do that. That's working just fine. You could probably notice a little bit of difference in the light emitted by these strips. The closer you are to the power source, the brighter it is. But you really have to look for it. And some days I can't even tell. But yeah, so then the wires just connect together there. They go to this wire, this light strip right here. And then they also go, they're all connected together in these junctions. But it also goes up here, and I'll open the cabinet. It goes through the cabinet, and you would have to run this as well. And then it goes inside the cabinet here, and through here. You would probably want to drop it down to, inside your valance area, but this is a space-saving microwave, so I didn't have to put any lights here. But it comes back down here just the same way, and then connects to this light strip. And then it's just terminated at the end. And that is all. The next thing that I did after running the wires, this is a metal channel, and this is a plastic cover, and that just makes it so that you really can't see a really bright light. It dims the light, but it also disperses the light. So that countertop really required it. Your countertop probably doesn't, and you can buy the LEDs without this channeling, and there's a sticky 3M tape on it, and you would mount it the same way. Inside this channel, it is stuck onto that metal instead of on the countertop. Now your countertop the under counter is a little different than mine. And I will show you that in the next video, which will be more dedicated to a solution without a dimmer switch.